Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for May 1st, 2015. First day of May is going to feature more clouds than sun across much of the area here today. We'll call it mostly cloudy. We still have an upper level system here that is situated right about here. It's going to be merging with this system offshore and combining with the surface low, and it's going to allow this to intensify and then move off to the northeast, or basically the east at that point. But we will have some showers to deal with, some isolated showers. This is not going to be a big deal. It's going to be not as concentrated as what went on yesterday in central PA and western PA. More of the hit or miss variety, more isolated, and not widespread in coverage. So we go a little bit further in time here to the evening hours. You can see this is mainly favoring our northern sections. So you got some stuff back here in central PA as well. Mainly our northern sections will get into the action, but some of this will creep a little bit further south. You can see this area low pressure, once that upper level low energy combines with it, will start to intensify, and then this is eventually going to move off in this direction here. So let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like at noon. You see nothing across our area at all. This is mainly an afternoon deal here where you would get those pop-ups. Here's the, as we go through the afternoon, here's 4 p.m. You can see mainly across northeastern PA, some back in central PA as well. Could be shower, maybe a thunderstorm. And then, as it starts to move south, it kind of falls apart here, and you just have some really, really light stuff here. We're now looking at, in the evening hours here. This is, 8, 9 o'clock here at night. And then this kind of just falls apart then once you lose daytime heating. So it's mostly an instability type thing what we're dealing with, and mostly during the day. We're going to have the same opportunity here on Saturday, very light pop-up shower possibility. Here's 2 p.m., even less coverage than the day before. A few pop-ups here and there, not a big deal on Saturday. So I wouldn't go canceling any outdoor plans on Saturday at all, even though you could get the isolated shower or thunderstorm, very, very isolated. And most areas stay dry here on Saturday as well. So, and then as soon as the sun goes down, that disappears as well too. So, not looking at anything that's going to ruin any outdoor plans this weekend. And if it does, it's going to be one of those quick 30-minute or less duration type things. Quick passing shower, nothing to cancel plans over if you do have any this weekend, especially on Saturday, and especially on Sunday, I should say, because Sunday is going to be bright and sunny. We're not going to get into any precipitation whatsoever. Here's a look at Saturday on the globals. Again, not much showing here. Here's this system moving away, and it's going to take all this convergence with it, and we should be done with it. And then we're going to have a big change here. High pressure is going to move in and set up off the eastern seaboard. Here's the high pressure moving offshore, and we are going to get into some really, really warm temperatures here, and we're probably going to hit 80 degrees over probably about 2/3 of at least the southern 2/3 of our coverage area here as we get into the Monday and Tuesday time frame. And even after a cold front is expected, I'll show you that in a minute. Even after a cold front comes through here on Tuesday, it's going to not really do much to knock the temperatures down. So we are expecting that this pattern has changed at this point. Today's the 1st of May. It would have been nice if it would have stood fitting if it would have started right with a flip of the calendar month, but unfortunately we'll be below normal yet today with those mostly cloudy conditions and the chance for the isolated showers. But after that, we go into above normal temperatures, and we stay there for a while, it looks like. Here's the next cold front that's going to be approaching here on Tuesday. Dropping south from New York State here. Could touch off some showers and thunderstorms later in the day, and then at night, and you see a few of them right here, and then we get into your day on Wednesday. We stay warm here. This front kind of just dissipates and falls apart, so we stay warm. It doesn't have really much cold air behind it as this is dropping down to the south here. So this will come through here. Obviously, you can see where the front is here. Front of boundary is like this, and it is dropping south. There's really no cold air up here to speak of. So there's not a bunch of cold air dropping south with it like you would typically expect with a cold front. So hopefully that remains the same. We'll narrow down the timing of these of this front. It might actually be overnight, Tuesday night when it comes in. We'll see how that transpires as in the coming days with the model analysis that we do as we get a little bit closer. But right now it looks like we're going to be mostly dry from this weekend onward, and then our next chance of precipitation will come here on later Tuesday or Tuesday night. But until then, we're going to be progressively warmer and not just spring temperatures, but late spring temperatures we're going to be getting into as we move into the next week here coming up, and probably beyond that as well. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for May 1st, 2015. Have a great Friday.